I'll just shoot into the air till you find us.
So I probably don't. Yeah, okay.
Alright, let's walk towards the center, shoot in the air. Sounds good, let's do it. Alright.
God, I haven't used this in a while.
Don't forget to load it
What's going
up.
on here?
Oh, you gotta load it.
Oh, there we go. Yeah, I wasn't pulling back all the way for some reason.
Hey, let's just kill him. I'm just kidding.
Oh god.
It's beautiful to chase.
I'm out of ammo.
Somewhere open. You're right here on the ship.
You want to see some crazy shit? I just found out that this thing will spin in circles if you just keep shooting it. Oh god, it just does a full 360. That's amazing.
That's dangerous. Would you accidentally shoot your foot?
Oh, I've shot myself in the face before. If like you shoot it like in the center of you, it'll flip up and shoot you right in the head.
Oh my god. Alright, cool.
I didn't know it's fun like that though. I was like, oh shit, I almost shot myself.
Alright,
so
someone go down there, you know, maybe 10-20 paces, and you go down there 10-20 paces, and then, you know, keep your hand on your
Do
hip.
you guys want to go against each other first?
Oh, that's true, yeah.
Yeah,
then you
that
can-
works.
yeah. Okay, yeah, okay, cool. Alright.
we'll go when the grenade blows up. So hands in the air,
No,
grenade
no.
explodes, grab your pistol.
No, he could just call 1, 2, 3.
We're not gonna be able to really hear him that well from far away.
Oh, that's true.
I could shoot I'll shoot my rifle.
Oh, you can do that too.
What else do I
Shoot
have?
something.
I have a
Oh, wait,
grenade.
let's just try it. You stand over there and you go back there and then just say, as a test, say 1, 2, 3, and then let's see if we can hear you. I think that's a good distance. That's a good distance.
Can you guys both hear me?
Yeah, I hear you.
Raise your hand if you can hear me. Raise your hand if you can hear me. Kinda. Can you hear me? Kinda. Alright, if you could both hear me, come off your hands.
Oh wait. I'm sorry. I have a question. How many shots do we get? Do we just shoot each other until we're dead, or like one shot?
Okay, you guys can't both hear me, but yeah, you should
Just
shoot
barely.
until you're dead, right?
You only
Until
just
they're on the ground at least.
How about like
Okay.
one shot at a time? So every time you say, you know, 1, 2, 3, shoot, then we just shoot each other once, and you know, and we'll just keep doing that. Like then we'll
I
start
mean,
over, you know, call it again.
Shoot one time or hit each other one time.
Shoot one time, and if you miss, you miss. Put your pistol away, and he's gonna call one more time, and then we draw again, and we keep drawing until the other person is dead.
I mean, if that's what you want to do, that works.
Yeah,
Whatever.
let's do it. Oh,
Yeah.
man, you got a problem.
Yeah.
Man. You got a problem. Yeah, serious problem.
I'm saying we just shoot until one of us is on the ground.
Yeah, I think that I agree.
Alright, fine.
Yeah.
Can we-
We only got 2 minutes left.
Oh shit.
Yeah, move all you want, shoot all you want, dude. He calls it, we shoot till one of us is down, then him and I will do it, because I'm assuming I'll win, so.
Alright, okay. Keep our hands in the air, right? Where's my pistol? I couldn't find my pistol.
Oh, he's dead.
Oh, I couldn't find my pistol. That was so bad.
Go on the grenade explosion. Alright. You tossing or me? Alright.
that was so
That's pretty cool.
yeah, but that was so bad I couldn't even pull my pistol out. I was so retarded.
I noticed you were having some issues. I wasn't sure what you were doing. Putting your wrists or praying or what. Oh man. Should we get